two great fights coming up.
I'm calling both of them are ending in a knockout.
I agree.
I'm not gonna. I mean,
I agree with you on that. I think both will be a knockout. But I'm going to continue being bipartial.
what?
I'm going to continue being neutral.
I'm not gonna say. I'll write them down,
There we go.
and then at the end, you let me know if I win. Or you know what?
What do
write them
you
down.
win if you win? Yeah.
I don't know.
All
Just
right.
I like to win.
All right.
Wait. So you're gonna write them down too. We're gonna hide them.
It'd be like a movie.
We're writing the
it'd be
winners.
like a game show. Yeah.
We're writing the
I'm
winners
not writing
down.
losers' names.
And both of these are by KO. I'm sealing my paper.
Right here, mine's sealed. I'm giving it. There you go. We
Oh,
gave
yeah.
it to Bill,
Bill's got him.
the production guy.
So what we
Studio
wrote on those
15.
papers were who's winning the KO, not who's getting the KO, not who's whatever.
Yeah. The winner.
Yeah. Thank you.
No one writes losers' names down. Hey, no one remembers if you're last. If you're not first, you're last.
It's true.
Ricky Bobby.
And now make her way to the red corner, Killer Kelly Boyle.
All right. Here we go.
Here we go. This is the semifinals, ladies and gentlemen. So the winner of this fight will meet Paige DiBartolo in the finals to make Queen of New York. Winner gets a crown, gets the title, and also gets a spot on the Team USA to fight against Team Chile.
Oh, word? I didn't.
But yeah, Bobby announced that at the press conference.
Oh.
Winner gets the spot
I
on
wasn't
Team
there.
USA.
I wasn't at the press conference.
So there's a lot of implications and a lot of things that going into not only this fight, but the finals. So.
Got it.
Yeah. And Kelly's got her second pair of shorts on for
Oh,
two
yeah.
fights.
New outfit.
Here we go.
These are her winning shorts, though. These are the ones she's worn for the last 3 KOs.
I'm like
two.
amped for these fights.
Introducing first, competing out of the blue corner, wearing purple and black shorts and blue gloves, here is Lindsay Bloody Valentine. And her opponent, competing out of the red corner, wearing black trunks and red gloves, here is Killer Kelly Boyle.
Killer Kelly Boyle already has 1 KO on the evening. She's looking for her second.
And what else? She has 2 KOs over this.
And here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, Kelly comes out swinging right away. Some big kicks, couple punches. Valentine tries to answer as she's pushing forward. Valentine definitely does look a little improved as she's throwing a lot of volume towards Kelly's way. But Kelly slows it down, keeping her composure.
She's keeping her composure. Kelly's,
Nice body kick right there by Kelly.
Lindsay seems to be reaching a little bit. Lindsay's
Big left right there after 2 kicks.
She's throwing some kicks. Kelly's checking them. That was a nice. I like that front kick jab move.
Absolutely. Valentine looks much
nice
improved
there
from her
she
last
goes.
fight.
Look at that. There's Kelly. Knee, Kel. Oh, sorry. I forgot. I'm not allowed to share. I forget where I am.
Quite all right.
sometimes.
I'll forgive you as we continue. As
Nice
Kelly
kicks.
landing some more kicks to the
Listen,
body.
that girl kicks me on a weekly basis.
But I don't think people realize how devastating those body kicks are. Oh, and down goes Valentine.
Over.
Wow. And we will see Paige DiBartolo versus Kelly Killer Boyle for the Queen of New York title fight. Back on out on April 19th. Those body shots by Kelly are just devastating. She is vicious.
She didn't know it was over. She was just like, oh, I won. That was awesome.
That's great. Here we go. Kelly is now 3-0 against Valentine. Valentine's pretty upset with herself.
Blonde Dream Team. There's our third members in the ring.
As Kareem Klein, I believe, is now the third member of the Dream Team.
He is the third honorary member of the Blonde Dream Team right there. We're working on our logo. Don't you worry. Don't you worry.
I can only imagine what it's going to look like. We're waiting for the official decision from ring announcer Matt Campitello.
My mom's so cute. She just texted me. She's like, oh, my God, she's crazy.
Technical knockout in 1 minute and 22 seconds of the first round. Competing out of the red corner, Killer Kelly Boyle.
Oh, look at that little smile.
Competitors, ladies and gentlemen, all of them in the tournament for the Queen of New York.
So, I don't really think fighting twice in one night kind of phased Kelly, huh?
Not at all. And that's what I said. I don't, to be honest, it was like she looked sharp right from the beginning. She opened it up.
You know what?
Was it a 1 minute and 11 seconds in round one?
I think something like that.
Maybe 21. Good for her.
I'm not going to lie. I'm like really upset though right now because I really don't want
19th to become the Queen of New York. Certainly was not an easy night for you with 2 opponents in one night.
I'm a little tired.
Just a little tired. Going to vie for the title of the Queen of New York one more time.